In the shadowed depths of Finland's ancient forests, a small village huddled against the endless winter snow. For weeks, a monstrous gray wolf had stalked the edges of the settlement. Its deep, chilling howls froze the blood of every villager, and each morning brought fresh evidence of slaughtered livestock. Fear locked doors at dusk, no one dared venture out. But young Esko, the quiet hunter with steady hands and a fearless heart, could not stand by. Taking his trusted bow and a handful of arrows, he stepped into the blinding blizzard. Days passed as he followed faint tracks over frozen rivers and through towering pines. At last, under a silver full moon, the giant wolf emerged, eyes glowing with hunger.